Hello guys, how are you? Travis here alongside Samantha and Jasmine. How the heck are you guys? Comment below. It's almost cabin time. That should be fun.
Yeah, and then maybe we can order our lunch pack at the cabin too. Yeah, and do something or Java.
Alright, let's see.
But Airball?
Nice. Oh, look at that.
But no, doesn't not yet.
Oh, this is cool. I'll just take a look at this a little bit later on. Alright.
Who sent it to us? Even we
I don't
go see our friend and we.
Oh well, no worries. Let's get this party started. One thing at a time. One thing at a time.
Oh, let's save this baby for last.
Crocky.
This for last.
Apricot flavored chips. It doesn't have the little label on it, so I don't know where it's from.
Now they cannot do anything.
They smell like barbecue chips.
Do they smell like? Oh, do they smell like the black chips? Guys, are these black chips? Chocolate sticks.
Tastes exactly like it too. That's pretty good.
Chocolate sticks.
Want some?
Put the chocolates inside. No.
No?
That's yummy. You want some?
Here. You're going way too fast.
No.
It tastes like barbecue.
What one?
Okay. Light. Rich chocolate and crispy
Jesse,
pretzel.
no,
Vanilla
that's
and chocolate. Double joy.
No, Jesse. But we done the crunch.
That's what I call culture counter.
Yeah.
That's really good.
I'll get 1,000. Okay. For last.
What we got next?
For last, Daddy. This is very sour.
Okay.
Not sour chip.
No, I don't think so.
Let me see.
Lay's.
Yeah,
Looks like Japanese. Italian red meat flavored. Dude, that sounds awesome.
Daddy, what is this cup? No, Jesse. One at a time, okay? One at a time.
Chocolate cupcake.
Chocolate cupcake. Oh my god, chocolate cupcake.
Now, there's hardly a single word in English. That's amazing.
These little cupcakes.
Let me see.
Try one.
It looks like a molten lava cake. You take this.
I'll get right back. You don't know how to say it. Daddy?
Hang on, we got a low battery. Okay, fresh battery. We are back. Now let's try Indian red meat flavor.
Let's try this first. I'll try some live. No, just not yet. You have to be patient, okay? I know you love this stuff, but you have to be patient.
Look at this. Look at the size of this bag. Okay. And look.
Ooh, barbecue.
Seriously. Lay's, are you kidding me?
What? That one. Are these spicy, Daddy?
Interesting.
Oh.
I like. Interesting. Okay. What's next?
Those are spicy.
Alright, let's do the jelly beans. No, they're not spicy.
Look. Daddy.
It's not fast, it's barbecue. It's barbecue peanut.
True Lulu Sabors jelly beans.
I think it's Java.
It's good.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try blue. That should be pretty safe.
No.
Ooh, grape. They're so small I can't even get it.
What?
Look at that. Look how tiny that is. Holy smokes.
I like these.
Mmm.
Yeah, I can have some.
Not bad.
Okay, we're crazy.
Okay.
I'm not sure. Let's try. I'm trying blueberry.
Hide and seek. Fab. Vanilla. That's awesome. This is really thick.
It tastes good. I'm just gonna eat these chips. Let's go delicious. Okay, finally done it. I know you want them.
Finish out.
Not yet, Chelsea.
Aha, here we go. That's awesome. Looks like a s'more.
No, it's a cookie.
Huh?
That's a cookie.
Josh? On?
No! I threw it! Rainbow, I love this chip. Wait a second. Let me see. Try one. Just try one.
Kind of tastes like an Oreo. Ooh, graham cracker.
I don't like that. One, two, to me. I can put it right here.
Okay.
Wait. Here's someone doing the TikTok.
What do we got here? Oak here. Kit Kat Tat.
We already did that, Jesse.
Looks like an apricot. Yep, apricot filling. Interesting. Let's try it.
Good go. Good go.
This is, oh, a mess. That's what that is.
Is that some...
I don't know what that is. What? Okay. This is a bit of a mess. I don't even know how to eat this, guys.
I love these chips. We're gonna get these chips.
Nope.
But they're spicy.
That one's a no-go.
Yeah, how are you spicy? No, those are not spicy. These are spicy, but they're not spicy.
That
Oh my
makes no
God.
sense, kid. Okay. Speaking of spicy,
How?
Cheetos. Flamin' Hot Shots. That's awesome.
Daddy, are these very, very hot?
It says Flamin' Hot.
So are these hot or no?
Yes.
Can I try one
Yeah.
bite?
You like that one?
I didn't know, but they have some.
Okay, Munchpak, you have a winner. Don't know how, but you have a winner.
Yep, you do have the awesome stuff. These chips taste like more barbecue than those black ones. I want you to give more of these in the other video. I don't just put this in the lunch pack in the other video.
So much heat from one small little thing.
I think spicy.
Oh. Oh. Wow. One tiny, oh my. Wowzers. I think I'm being killed. Wow.
still have spiciness in your mouth? Hey, I want this water.
Whew, that was hot.
I want water. Was it good?
See the steam coming out of my ears?
I want to have some water. Yeah, I want some water.
Okay, so
I want
let's...
water. I want to try these first, Daddy. These first. TT, I want some water. I want some water.
Hang on, Sammy. Let me see the package.
TT,
Let me see.
water.
Alright.
Lemonade. This sounds bad. Look at the package. Look at the labeling. Look at that. Look at that guy. Looks like me like 5 seconds ago.
Uh-huh. Oh, hard cheetahs. Ready? Ready? Mama can do it?
Oh,
Okay.
excuse me.
Ready? Mama can do it?
You just do
Probably
it.
not.
You just do it. You just do it. You just do it.
I don't have faith in her.
You just do it.
You're gonna regret that, dude.
You got. You got. Oh, the yummy are very hot.
So okay, so this looks like Laffy Taffy.
I can.
Hey, look what I can do. I can throw a food run.
They're a little hot.
But are they yummy?
Tastes just like a Starburst. A little more lemony.
So good. It's not really hot, dude.
I need paper. I want mama. Mama!
Okay. Last but not least, Tara Oodles. Tiny, tangy, fruity, chewies. I love the packaging. Look at that. That is awesome. That's a
Want to see?
thumbnail. That's a thumbnail right there. Okay. It doesn't look like much though. Look at this labeling. That is awesome.
Well, this is
I almost don't want to open the package. It looks like a bowl of Fruity Pebbles.
Did Jesse just try?
Oh.
I'm gonna try. Yummy? Oh man, that was too much.
That's good.
Oh my god.
She breaks Sammy's iPad? She said she spilled water on Sammy's iPad. Oh, Jazzy, that's not like, I thought you like dumped a cup of water on her iPad.
Alright, that was pretty successful, I'd say. Guys, we'll see you in a few weeks for the cabin vlog. Peace.